Good morning, everyone. It is March 5th. It's a Saturday and it is 11:15 p.m. I thought that I would try out vlogging today. I have a lot of things planned for the summer and I want to vlog some of them, so I thought maybe now I should just get used to it. My best friend actually is coming down for the day to where I go to college. It's gonna be fun. I'm gonna show her around and stuff. So I thought, why not film it? I just cleaned up a little bit, although my room is still still a little bit messy. This side is okay, like my bed and stuff, but my desk is kind of needs some working on. But yeah, she's on her way now and she lives about 2 hours away from where I go to college, so I have plenty of time to get ready. So I'm gonna go do that. I'll see you in a bit. I just did my hair and my makeup. I'm wearing like an all black outfit. My shoes. My friend just got here, so I'm gonna let her in and we will have some fun today. Let's go.
Some pictures yesterday.
This is my best friend Emma. Do you like my dorm?
I do like your dorm. It's very pretty.
We're gonna go get food.
Yeah, we are.
Yay. Emma's going hunting for cats because I told her that there are cats that live here. Kitty!
Oh, it's staring at me but it doesn't love me.
It probably thinks you're trying to mate with it.
You know.
Can you repeat that? We're walking in Belmont Shore and they have these cute little houses. They're like tiny, but they're so nice. And so Emma was saying it's like living in a tiny high-tech box.
Yeah, pretty much.
It's raining. I swear. It's like sprinkling. We're on our way to get Thai food. Oh, okay. Oh my gosh.
Look, check that one out. It's very playful.
Luckily, I had a whole bunch.
We're at this Thai restaurant called Thai Gourmet by Sri Maya. We're gonna get some nom noms. And Emma is vegan. Thai food is actually really easy to make vegan.
Yeah, it is.
So it's very convenient. This is like, there's peanuts in here and sweet and sour sauce. This is our appetizer.
You can make like shapes on your plate with this.
This place is called Famous Street. And we chose to come here because they have like a bunch of different options for your base and toppings for ice cream.
So I can get coconut.
Yeah, so you can make it vegan.
Yeah.
It's pretty cool. It's kind of expensive, but the ice cream here is really good.
Liquid nitrogen.
Pretty dang. They have like this giant tank of the liquid nitrogen right there. Is it good?
That literally tastes like bananas.
This is mine. It is a small size. And we got coconut based and everything to make it vegan. And this one's the banana flavored ice cream. So it has like banana like blended in. And I put chopped strawberries and it's really good. That's good. Oh yeah, it's really good. We're waiting for Emma's. She got tiramisu.
Tiramisu with mochi.
Go, do it.
I'm excited. What if I don't like it?
It's really good. So we're in this really cool candy store. So much sugar. So we're at this really pretty shop, and they have this thing called a footy board, and you dip it in water, and then it like stains it and fades freshly.
I keep doing this. This is like my hi.
Okay, we're going down the pier.
How?
Oh, I'm taking a video.
Oh.
This is my friend's dad. bought some like Asian candy from
Rice
that
candy.
candy shop we went to earlier. These ones are Sesame Crunch candies. Then we also got these. What are they? Hello Kitty!
Photon rice candy.
Yes, we're gonna try it. So since we're on the pier and the waves are like crashing, the pier's like shaking. It's so scary.
Yeah.
It kind of looks like taffy.
That you can eat that.
Oh, okay. You can eat this. It's rice paper.
Orange flavored.
Yeah, it's fruit flavored. Pictures like fruit gummies.
Yeah, it says lemon flavor, orange flavor.
Can you open this for me? Since I'm folding.
Yeah. Oh.
Wow. I'm gonna taste this one, the sesame seed one.
You mine too.
So we're trying to give these pigeons water so that they can drink.
Oh my god.
So we're eating the leftovers of the Thai food. Sitting on the beach in our
The
chairs.
sun shining through the clouds.
So pretty.
Yay!
Stick it on there.
I'm trying.
Hey guys, just got back to my dorm. I don't know why my hair is like this. Emma just left. Now I'm sad because I'm lonely. I curled my hair this morning and now all the curls fell out and I'm like, dude, I put hairspray in you. Why you no stay? I'm just gonna study because I have a math test on Monday. But yeah, today was fun. I hope you liked a little glimpse into my life. Thanks guys for coming with me today. I'll talk to you in the next video.